Hi all, welcome back to the channel and hope you are having a wonderful day today. I'm here to give you an update on my plywood body I've been attempting as part of the Great Guitar Build of 2022, and here it is. So I got into this shape, finished all the roads, and got a bit of mahogany stain applied to it, added 4 quarts of boiled linseed oil, and here I am. What I have left to do is, of course, mount the pick guard, fix the bridge, fix the output jack, drill holes for the neck, and more or less this is ready to be tested. It was not that easy to get into this shape, primarily because there are layers of plywood involved, glue in between them. That makes it very hard. So it's not like machining a typical mahogany body blank or a pine or anything for that matter. I had to do multiple passes between Forstner bit and then drill bits, and then finally finishing it by a rotor bit. So not easy. One of the reason you might not want to consider plywood body for your build, in addition to maybe the tonality, which we will find once I finish it. But here it is, and one other thing I wanted to check with you. So I will be testing it in this mode, which is the stained look, but I'm not quite liking it. Maybe I can keep it this way, that badass look of it, but I am also considering maybe painting it. So I want to check with you, what would be your opinion? Leave that in your comments below, whether you would like me to keep it this way or paint it. I'm considering white paint and maybe keep it a relic look. Not decided, but that's an option I'm considering. But leave your comments below on what you think I should probably go with. In case if you are interested in checking my build progress, I have not shot any videos real time while I was finishing it. It went through multiple iterations, spanning multiple days. I don't work on it all at once. I cannot, but it went through multiple iterations over many days, and I took some pictures. In case if you are interested, stay tuned for the time lapse which is coming up, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.